In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import and export your schedule. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location selected, then click on Schedules. Choose the schedule you would like to import or export. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Tools. Choose Shifts I/O from the drop-down menu. Now you should be able to export or import this schedule. First, decide on the data format. Right now I have it shifts 1 per row. If I click on the arrow, I could change it to a range of dates or heads per row. I'm going to leave it on shifts. Then I can choose to export the IDs or the names or both. I'm going to go ahead and do both. So I'm going to add export names. I can choose to export this as a page or a text file. If I leave it on page and click export, all of that information will show up here in this box, and I can copy and paste it or make any changes that I want to. If I change this from page to text file and choose export, now I can save this to any folder I need to. I'll go ahead and choose save, and that text file has been saved. If I open it, you can see all of that same information, in this case in Notepad. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. I'm going to go ahead and bring up that export page file again. Let's say that I want to import some changes I've made. I would copy and paste those changes here, and let's say that I changed this shift, and instead of starting at 9, it started at 10. Then I will scroll down a little, and to import this change, I will click Import. If I scroll back up to the top, you can see that all of this information has been imported. There were no new entries. There was one entry that was updated. No entries were deleted. A total of 164 items were found, and 163 were skipped because they didn't have any changes, and 0 entries were invalid. In order to import information, you do need to have that ID attached to it. If you don't have a unique ID, then it won't be imported properly. That's how you can import and export your schedules and their information. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.